Hey y'all! I am so excited to have you guys back here today to watch this new video, this lesson number 2. I'm so glad that you guys want to continue learning German with me. But before you start lesson number 2 with me here today, please, if you don't know the difference between the formal and the informal you, please go back and watch lesson number 1 before you watch this video, because formal and informal you is a big thing here in Germany, is a big thing in German, and you need to know when you need to use what, because depending on who you're talking to, they might get offended if you don't use it right. So please take a moment to watch that first lesson if you haven't already. If you have and you're comfortable and you know it, let's continue with lesson 2. Lesson 2 is greetings. We're going to learn how to greet somebody. Remember, this is conversational German. In order to start a conversation, you have to greet somebody. You can't start a conversation without some form of hey. So, let's start by letting me tell you the first ones. These are the ones I'm going to tell you in this video are really just the most important ones. The ones that you're going to hear all the time. All the time. All the time. So these are words, phrases that you may want to write down in a notebook. Write it down on a mirror, just so that you can burn it into your brain. So, they are Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend, Hallo, hey, and hi. When do you use what? That's the question. Well, Guten Morgen means good morning, which means you say it anytime in the AM. In the morning times, we say Guten Morgen. So, repeat after me. Repeat out loud. It does not matter who hears you. You are here to learn a new language, not to listen to me talk a language. So, repeat it after me. Guten Morgen. One more time. Guten Morgen. Good job. So, Guten Morgen means good morning. The next one, the second one. Guten Tag. What does Guten Tag mean? Guten Tag means good afternoon. When do we say good afternoon here in Germany or in German? Depending on daylight savings time or not, because in the winter time it gets dark around 5 o'clock here, which means we would say Guten Tag up until about 5. In the summertime, it doesn't get dark until like 10 sometimes. So Guten Tag we would say up until about 6-ish. But yeah, so repeat after me. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Good job. So remember, you're learning a new language. There's no right, there's no wrong. We are learning. So the next one is Guten Abend, which literally means good evening. But good evening here, we technically say until midnight, because after midnight, technically it's morning again. So after midnight, you could go around saying Guten Morgen, even though it's midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning. And up until midnight, you can go around saying Guten Abend. So repeat after me. Guten Abend, Guten Abend, Guten Abend. Then we have Hallo. Hallo means hello. One letter difference. Hallo, hello. Hallo works any time of the day with any audience. You can say hello to a teacher. You can say hello to a kid. You can say hello to a doctor. You can say hello to anybody. It may be better to say guten Morgen or guten Tag, but you can always say hello. Me personally, in the middle of the night, I'm not going to say guten Morgen. I'm not going to say guten Abend. I'm going to say hello. But that's just me. It's formal and informal. Just like guten Morgen, guten Tag, and guten Abend is. They're all formal and informal, meaning I can say them to anybody. Now, hi and hey are two greetings that are quite informal, so I wouldn't go around looking at my teacher or at my dog like, hey, you. Nah. I would be like, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend, or I'd say hallo. Either one of those work. Just remember, hallo is not dependent on time. The other ones are bound to time. But please, even though you now know you can say hello whenever you feel like it, take a moment to learn guten Tag, guten Morgen, guten Abend, because it really does open doors. Because languages open doors. They help you get to where you want to go. The more you know, the further you'll go. So if you need any help, you have any questions, any concerns, any comments, please comment below, send me a message, do whatever you need to do in order to learn. But right now, I ask you to please, as soon as this video is over, call somebody and tell them, hey, I just watched the video. I learned how to say guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend, hallo. Hi and hey I already knew, but still, I now know they say hi and hey in Germany too, in German. So call somebody, tell them what you just learned, and then put it into your day-to-day use. You guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy it. And I am so glad that you made it. I'm so glad that you came to watch this video. If you need anything, let me know. And see you later in the next video. Bye.